Question number 13th. Bill for rupees 820 received from Ram for repairs to machinery was entered in purchase book as rupees 720. Now a bill has been received from Ram, means I have to pay him for repairs. So what will be my entry? Right, wrong, reverse, rectified. Repairs account should be debited because it is concerning the repairs. Repairs are my expenses. Expenses are debited. Repairs account debit to Ram. I have to pay Ram 820. Now remember that whenever you find two different amounts in the question, 820 here, 720 here, always write the amounts also while you are passing. Right, wrong, reverse and rectified entry. I'll tell you why. Okay, now the wrong entry, I have put it in my purchase book. So what I have done, purchase account debit 720 instead of 820, 720 to Ram. Ram 720. So I need to reverse it now, and the entry will be Ram account debit 720 to purchase account Okay, now the rectified entry comparing the right and the reverse. Now please pay attention over here. Repairs, there is no repairs in credit, so I cannot cut it. So first of all, I'll write repairs account debit 820. Now I have Ram accounts in debit and Ram accounts in credit also. In debit it is with 720, in credit it is with 820, right? So what do I need to do first? The credit is more, so I am left with the difference here. 820 minus 720 is 100 and the credit balance is more, so I will credit Ram's account only with 100 to Ram 100, and I am left with purchase here, so to purchase how much? 720, and see the total of credit should be equal to the total of debit. 720 plus 100, 820, and my debit is also 820. Important entry, just see the clip once again, that how we have done the repairs, Ram and purchase accounts adjustment. See this clip once again and then proceed. Okay, question number 14. Purchase book is undercast by rupees 10,000. Now very important point to be noted, that when errors are located before closing of the accounts, that is before preparing trial balance and before opening suspense account. Now when do we open suspense account, that I'll discuss with you, but if that is before opening suspense account, at that time you don't require rectification entries. Only the amount is to be written in the debit side or the credit side, which is the affected area. So I'll show you how do we do it. Purchase book is undercast by rupees 10,000, means simply the purchase has been written lower by 10,000. I'll just try to open a purchase book here. A purchase account Purchase account always has a debit balance. We all know that by now. Purchase is debit, sales is credit. So when it is undercast, by 10,000, what all I need to do is just place 10,000 in the debit side, because it is undercast by 10,000, and that will remove the error. So what will I write here? I will write here, to undercasting of purchase book 10,000. To undercasting of purchase book 10,000. Since it was undercast, purchase has a debit balance, I just need to write to undercasting of purchase book 10,000, and I am done with the solution. But remember, when do you do this? If the suspense account has been opened and the trial balance has been closed, then this is not possible. You will have a separate treatment for suspense account that I will show it to you in the coming questions. But before trial balance is closed, if you can find an error, it is a one-sided error, and you need not pass a rectification entry, then just you will transfer it to the concerned account.